Awesome, so now that that's activated, we're also going to install a few plugins. To do this, let's go on over and let's go to plugins and then go to add new. And then at the top, you'll probably see this theme recommends the following plugin, Ocean Extra. You can either install it from here or you can search for it in the search plugins bar here. But we're going to do begin install plugin right here. And we'll just do install. And it'll say it's installing Ocean Extra. And then now it says plugin activated successfully. Cool. So let's go back to plugins and then go to add new. And now we're gonna get the Elementor page builder. So let's go to search plugins and we'll just type in Elementor. If I spelled that right, yep. Then Elementor page builder. It's the first one here. It's got over 1 million active installations. So let's go ahead and click install now. And then click on activate. Cool, so now it'll bring you to this little get started page. You can watch a tutorial if you want, but we're just gonna exit out of that. We don't need that. So before we get started with actually customizing our website, I provided you with a template that we're gonna install now. So if you go down to the description below, you will see those Elementor templates. Download those, and here is how to install them. So from your dashboard, you'll see the Elementor tab over here. Just go up to My Templates. And then instead of doing add new template, that's actually how you create them, go over to the import templates up at the top. And then it'll say choose file. We'll just hit choose file. And mine are on my desktop, but if you download them, they're probably in your downloads folder. So go over to personal website templates and we'll do the personal website first. So I have the actual website template and then I have the footer template. But right now we're gonna do the personal website template and click open and then import now. Cool. And now let's go back to import templates, choose the file, and we'll also put in that footer. Open and import now. Alright, cool. So now we've got our website and our footer templates in here. So let's go over and make a home page. So just go up to the Pages tab and then go to Add New. Alright, so from here, just close out of this little wonderful world of blocks thing. Just close that. And let's just call this home page. Alright, so then on the right, just go to these drop downs over here and click on Page Attributes. And then change default template to Elementor full width. This is really important. So from here, then just go up to publish and it'll say, are you ready to publish? Yeah, nobody's actually looking at our site. This is just our way of saving it. So just click on publish. All right, so then go up to your name at the top left and click visit site and open it up in a new window. All right, cool. So from here, just click on customize. And what we want to do is we've now just made this home page, but our theme, which is Ocean WP, is not recognizing this as the home page. It's still showing us this hello world post template. And we want to get rid of that. So we want to make the connection to our new home page that we just created. So go down to home page settings and then click on a static page. And then under home page, click the select button and then just click on home page. So if you had clicked save draft instead of publish, you probably won't see this here. You have to click publish in order for this new home page to show up. So now that we've selected home page, you can see we've got this full width page that we can now play with, and we can now go add our template to it. So from here, click on publish again, and then click on the X. And let's go to edit page. And I'm actually going to close out of this old window here. Cool. So from here, let's do edit with Elementor. Alright, so here is the fun part. Now we can start actually customizing. So the way Elementor works is you can just click on this new section button and then just select a structure. We'll just select the main one. And if you click on this little Rubik's Cube looking symbol up here, you can now drag in all these widgets. So you could drag in an image if you want, or a heading, which is just text, and then you can change the text. So I could just, type my name, for instance, and then you can edit it, change the colors, all that kind of stuff. But first, what I'm going to do is add our new template so that everything is made for you. I just wanted to show you real quick how all this stuff works. So first, let's go over to the Add Template, which is this little folder button. And then just go up to My Templates. And then you'll see our two templates that we imported. So we'll do the personal website one, and then just click on the Insert button. And then it'll say, do you also want to import all the document settings? Just click on Yes. And boom, there we go. So now we've got all of our widgets that I've created for you in here, but it kind of ruined our full page layout. So let's go back and change that. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see page layout all the way at the bottom. And if you don't see this, it's under the Settings tab. Just go to Elementor Full Width. And now it just updated again. So this is what it's supposed to look like. We're actually going to get rid of this little title up here. We're going to do our header, all that. But first, we're going to work on these main sections. So I've got all these sample images in here for you, which are all black and white. We're going to change them all. We're going to change text and so on. So as you can see, videos, photos section, just everything that you need, contact page, and then right here is actually where our contact form is going to go, and I'll show you how to do that later. So let's go all the way to the top and open back up this little sidebar. So this is how you open and close it. Just click on Update now that we've got that imported, and we're going to go get rid of this little title up here. So let's go up to these little 3 lines, looks like a hamburger. Click on that and then go to Exit to Dashboard. And then go up to Visit Site again. And you don't have to open it up in a new window this time. And then just click on Customize. So this Customize tab is how we customize our theme, and then the Edit with Elementor tab is how we customize our main page. So right now, this title here is part of that theme, so we want to get rid of that. So let's go on down to the General Options tab, and then from here go to Page Title. And then we're just going to go under Style, and it's on default right now. We're going to change that to Hidden. Cool, so now it's gone, which is awesome. So let's click on Publish, and then just click on the X, and let's go back to Edit with Elementor. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and change this main picture here. So you're going to want to put a picture of yourself in this section. So to do this, just right click and then click on Edit Section. And then if we go over to the Style, you'll see the Background tab. So if it's closed, just open it, and then you can see the image is here. So if you have nothing here, it'll probably look something like this. And you can just click on Classic Background Type and then just go to Image. So let's upload our own image. So from here, you've got your media library, which has nothing in it right now. Oh, well, actually it's got the sample pictures that I gave with you, so you can keep those in there. We've got our sample goat over here. Anyway, so let's go back to upload files, and let's upload a picture of ourselves here. And so my images, and then I'm just gonna select this one of myself and click on Open. Cool. So then click on Insert Media. And one thing to note about putting pictures on your website is if they're way too high quality, it might look fantastic, but your website is going to take forever to load, which we don't want. We want it to load within a second or two. So to fix this, what you can do is go to Optimizilla. Whoops, if I could spell that right. Here we go, Optimizilla.com. So it's got this little dinosaur guy. You can just click on Upload Files and then select your image and open it. And what this site will do is compress your image. So it'll do an auto compression for you. And if you scroll down, you can see the difference. So they look pretty similar right now. If I wanted to really compress it, I could bring it down to like a 45, and you'll probably see a little bit more of a difference. There we go. So you can see it's a little bit more pixelated, but what this does is save a lot of file space and it'll load a lot quicker. So I'm not going to go that much. I'd say like a 70 is a pretty good compression, somewhere around 70. And then click apply. And then just download that image. Now this image I actually already compressed, so I'm just going to leave that in my downloads. So let's go back to Elementor. So again, this one was already compressed, so it should load fine. Alright, so what you can do to change your position of your image, you can see I'm on center right now. You can do top center, and that'll kind of move things down a little bit. You can do bottom center, puts me a little bit higher. So if I'm looking at the page like that, I picked center originally because it just looks the best. And then we've got this parallax effect going on right now. So whenever I scroll, the picture itself doesn't move. If you did want it to move, you can click under attachment and change it to scroll, and that'll actually now move with that page. I love the parallax effect, so I'm gonna go back to that.